Ever wondered what magic high-end spas use to make you feel deeply relaxed? Today, a certified spa therapist reveals her top 3 relaxation blends. For an instant feeling of spa-like serenity, she uses a decongest and calm blend: lavender, eucalyptus, and bright bergamot. It's designed to create that first deep, clear breath of relief. For emotional overwhelm, her go-to is Deep Emotional Release: lavender, chamomile, and ylang ylang, a gentle blend that helps reduce anxiety and promote emotional balance. And when the mind won't slow down, she turns to a grounding woodland retreat: lavender, cedarwood, and frankincense, a stabilizing, meditative calm that brings you back to center. To use these at home, mix a few drops with a carrier oil or add them to a diffuser. Which blend would you try first?
Blossamin Spa